Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Philips Fidelio X2 HR headphones and I'm going to tell you where you can easily find its user manual. So here, as you can see, we are in our Google website and let's search for Philips Fidelio X2 user manual. Philips Fidelio X2 user manual. Here, as you can see, we have view support for your Fidelio headphones. Let's click on that. And here we have to scroll down to manuals and documentation. Here we have to click on the product brochure and click on this download button. But before that, you can select the language from English US and English from the Great Britain. Now we can click on the download button. And as you can see here is our user manual. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.